How to transfer Google Play balance to your bank account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can transfer Google Play balance to your bank account. The first thing you want to do is check your Google Play balance. For that, open up Play Store on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. After you have been signed in, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here you will have different options. Go ahead and tap on Payment and Subscriptions. Now you want to tap on the Payment Methods option. Now you're going to find the Google Play balance over here. Go ahead and tap on that. And then you will be able to view your Google Play balance over there. Now, if you want to transfer your Google Play balance to your bank account, you simply want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now from here, tap on the payment option. Then you want to tap on the payment methods option. Then you want to tap on the cash out option under Google Play balance. Then you want to enter the amount of money to transfer. Now confirm the payment method. Tap on the transfer to complete. And with this simple process, you will be able to transfer Google Play balance to your bank account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.